Hello, car care professionals. If you're in the detailing, auto care, or paint protection business, you know that quality makes all the difference. At Luminous, we understand that the right products are essential for delivering top-tier results. That's why we're giving professionals like you the chance to try our premium car care products completely free. We offer a full range of high-performance solutions designed for professionals. Advanced paint protection films, premium window films, high-quality ceramic coatings, professional-grade detailing and cleaning products. We know that as a professional, you don't just buy products, you invest in performance and reliability. Our free sample program lets you test our products in your shop, ensuring they meet your standards before you commit. Why try Luminous free samples? Test before you buy, experience the quality firsthand. No risk, no obligation, we trust our products and we know you will too. Designed for professionals, achieve superior results for your clients. Exclusive to the trade, available only for certified auto care businesses. Luminous products are built for durability, easy application, and premium protection. Whether you're installing PPF, applying window film, or detailing high-end vehicles, we provide the best tools for the job. We're confident in our products, and we want you to experience the difference at no cost. Claim your free sample today and see how Luminous can help you achieve better results, boost customer satisfaction, and grow your business. Visit www.luminous-me.com to request your sample now. Luminous Premium Car Care, trusted by experts.